Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use your Instagram or how to use Instagram, your algorithm feature in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Instagram application. Then you want to simply go ahead and head to your Reels tab. Now on your Reels tab, what you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on the lines with two hearts on the top right hand side of your screen, which is going to take you to your algorithm. This is where it will tell you what you want to see more of. So as you can see, for me, it says motivation, relatable content, streaming community, Nepal, wealth creation, Drake, success mindset, car enthusiast, authentic relationship, vlog, venture capital, and many more. And what you want to see less of, you can simply go ahead and add right over here by just typing. So for example, I don't want to see this. I'm going to simply go ahead and take it to move to see less, just like that. Now, let's say I don't want to look at streaming community. I can take it to remove interest, or I can also move it to see less. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.